All right, you nerds, welcome to what you can see is obviously a perfect day to ride a motorcycle, because on out there you have a sunny sky, clear. I mean, I'm trying to be sarcastic, man. I don't even have the energy to scream and be mad at the weather. I did this to myself. I mean, I don't really have a choice. I was gone all week in Georgia. I got back, it's Thursday. Finally Friday is tomorrow. I have to record Finally Friday now. And guess what happened today? Freaking snow. So there's snow. Don't you snow? I'm going to take the big motorcycle out on one condition: that I record this in like one take. I don't usually do one take. Sometimes they're fun. That's why I don't make jump cuts in my video. But the reason for that is so I don't have to ride nearly as long. I've been out for a little while. Obviously, I didn't just whoop, like a video game Spawn here. But I got on the bike. I was like, oh, that's right. I need gas. So I went to the gas station. And now here I am. Oh, I am not properly geared up for this. I obviously am not like wearing nothing. I got something covering all my skin except my ankles. They're not covered. Wearing one layer of pants, one layer of gloves. Not enough layers. I mean, at least I got the right helmet for this. So speaking of which, I ranted last week when I was driving. It was cold. It was like 50 degrees. Now it's freezing. Now it's like 32 or 30 right now. So that's great. It's freezing right now. Thank goodness there's no ice yet. It's been snowing all day. It's just kind of melting on the ground, so it's nice and wet, which is perfect. That's what you want when you're riding two wheels and no balance. You want wet roads. So anyway, last time I was driving with this helmet, I said this is my cold weather helmet because it's got like a chin curtain there and it kind of insulates air well. Speaking of which, I think I have a vent up there open, which I'm annoyed by right now. That needs to be closed. It's so cold. And this is stupid. There's a rock in my shoe. I shouldn't care so much. There's a freaking rock in my shoe. My fingers are cold. Anyway, my spirits are actually good because last week, if you watch, I was discussing my love triangle, and I would like to carry on that saga right now as there have been developments. So, wow, this is annoying. I have a fog spot right in the middle of my visor, so I can't see. I'm going to open it up for like a split second. I'm going to regret it just so I can see, but here we go. Yeah, that was regret. Now I can't see. I cannot. Gosh darn it, I can't see. I think it's because I was talking with my visor down for too long. But hopefully if I get moving here, it'll start clearing up. It's not clearing up. If I look out the side, I can see. Oh, this is smart. How? Okay, well, I'll try not to interrupt myself too much talking about the fact that I can't freaking see where I'm going. Come on, man. Why is this happening? Maybe because it's freezing. That's why. I have an anti-fog layer, which has always served me well, but it's not enough to. Oh my gosh, I can't see. Okay, I'll try to ignore that. All right, here we go. So, last time I mentioned I have my visor RS1. What the? Is that guy tailgating me or what? That was really close. Okay, I can't see. I thought I wasn't gonna interrupt myself, but I'm gonna have to pull over. It's getting worse. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. So my Razor RS1, I was talking about. I have that. I want the Ducati, but I also want the Audi R8. Those three things that I have / want / love. I'm not gonna restate myself too much, but the summary is there was a Ducati from a guy I really like, a fan of mine, has one for sale at Pringle 959, and I want an R8 more than anything else, and so I've been saving for that for a while now. And I discussed possibly selling the Razor. So here's what happened, long story short. I didn't make a video of this because I was just in Georgia. I was kicking myself when I got home. I was like, why didn't I get my camera out and record all this stuff that happened? Because I sold my Razor in Georgia. I took it down to Georgia just to take it off road, which I was able to do for just a little bit. There will be a video of that, but I was just like frustrated by the fact that this Razor, although fun, for me in Kansas is undrivable. There's nowhere to drive it. And I was just like, well, I'd rather, you know, have that money from the Razor at hand to be ready to go toward my car whenever I can get it. So let's just, if I can see here. That helps a little bit. There we go. All right, I just had like ice forming up here. That's much better. Woo! See, there's ice. That is legitimately ice. Ah, good. Okay, well, I'm just happy I can see. I don't even care that I'm freaking cold. Anyway, I sold it to go toward my car, and I'm obviously not happy that I have one less vehicle, but I was happy that, hey, I'm that much closer to getting the Audi R8. I'm really happy about it. And I was just thinking, you know, I don't want to get the Ducati because I don't want to put the money. Oh, too fast. Yeah, I mean, I could have gone faster, but I was going to risk slipping, so I decided to go extra slow. There's a bunch of roundabouts up here. I've been here before. Dang it, that's going to kick my butt. So anyway, I was deciding not to get the Ducati. And then I changed my mind. I thought, well, I was going back and forth. Like, I can get the Ducati. I've explained this before. I get the Ducati and set myself a bit further back before I get the car. And I really want to get this bike because it's amazing. Pringle 959, like 5,000 miles. It's a 2017 from the original owner. I wanted it. I wanted it really bad. I still want it. That's the next bike I want. But unfortunately, I just finally decided I really want the Audi more, even if it means getting that car sooner, because I really want it. Unfortunately, in my case, freaking look at this crapping snow. If I had that Pringle, there's no freaking way I would drive it out here in the cold like this. Nuh-uh. It's just gonna sit in my garage. I'd rather have it for the car. So anyway, I decided, and thank you guys for commenting on the love triangle video. I got, like, the most highly rated one was saying get the Ducati, which, you know, I was seriously contemplating that for days. And then the second one was, hey, if you really want the R8, save up, get what you want, get the R8. And I was like, all right, that's what I landed on. So I'm gonna do that. Jeez, I'm just scared of these turns with this freaking ice right now. Speaking of which, I can't see. Let's see if I can get this whole sheet of ice. Wow, literally a whole chunk of ice. It's like, I guess it's still snow, but it's just like sleeting ice now. It was snowing, but whatever. I mean, it's all good. It's a moral of the story. It's great. I'm gonna slow down now. I want to screw this up. Okay, so I got myself all hyped to realizing I could get this car sooner. I still don't know when it's going to be. My goal is to get it in 6 more months, within 6 months, so that's a while, but who knows. Anyway, so I'm bummed about this bike, and I really wanted to get it because I really wanted to help Morgan out. He's such a nice guy. How do you say this? Unreasonably nice. Not annoyingly nice, just unreasonable. Like, dude, there's no reason for you to be as nice as you're being. So, like, when I drove out there last week to try his Ducati, and I was going to go home, he's like, please message you when you get home so I know you made it home safe. And I was just like, okay. I actually laughed, like, okay. Like, I was just funny for me to hear, like, dude, I'm going to be okay, but thank you for caring. And, you know, I forgot to message him when I got home. I felt bad. It's like, sorry, Mom, I forgot, but I'm okay. And anyway, so he's just a really swell guy. I mentioned before, I drove his bike and met him 6 months ago when I first drove it. I hate going slow, but this is too slow. So long, sucker, my frozen fingertips. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. I'm gonna freaking die out here being stupid. I've had worse crashes in the snow. I've had worse. This will be okay. Anyway, sorry for taking a long time. But, he's a nice guy, and he's got that bike for sale, and I wanted to help him out by buying it for him. I mean, obviously I'd be helping myself too. I want that bike, but not as much as I want the R8, and that's what it comes down to. I want the R8 more. If I had the option to get one or the other, which isn't necessarily the case, that's what I chose. I'm like, all right, that's what I'm gonna do. But I felt bad because I wanted to buy it just on account of him being so nice, and I wanted to, you know, help him, you know, be able to sell it because he wants to sell it. So anyway, I told him, dude, when I mention this in my love triangle video, or when I follow this up, I will totally shout out your Instagram. So if anyone is looking to buy a 2017 Ducati Pringle 959 with about 5,000 miles from the original owner, they can contact you. So I will include his Instagram link in the description. You can message him on there. You can even see pictures of the bike there when you look at his profile. It's freaking gorgeous, dude. It's flawless. I've driven it a couple times, and if it wasn't for the fact that I want something else more, I would have bought it. But maybe you want it, maybe you can get it, maybe you can help him out by buying that bike. So I mean, I'm gonna be bummed that I'm not getting it, but I'll be happy if it goes to an owner, obviously, who gets to enjoy it. So this could be a chance for one of you guys if you happen to be like that. So I'm in Kansas. Check him out, message him, and help him out. All right. Okay. Oh, this is the end. This is the end. I've been here before. I did a one-take video here before. I went all the way down here. Gosh, I can't freaking see. Well, good, because I'm ready to start freaking turning around. Ugh. Gosh, darn it. Complaining. Wait, is that even... I was like, does that keep going? I'm going to keep following. No, I'm not going to keep following it. Speaking of following it, I don't want to talk about this too long, but I said I recorded... Wow, I failed completely. I just left... I lost all of my ability to turn, and I just gave up. I'm so tired. Why am I so tired? Anyway, oh gosh, come on. My fingers are stiff. I'm not judging my throttling ability correctly, and also now it's fogged up again. I gotta keep speed. I gotta keep air getting in here so it doesn't fog up. Gotta keep my face cold. Anyway, I don't want to talk about this too much. Look at the side of my helmet. I don't want to talk about this too much, but I drove the Razor down in Georgia, and there's going to be a video of it, and I just remembered going down that dead end. I found a lot of dead ends in that Razor when we drove it. There'll be a video of that later. But the next one coming out is when I was driving with Chase on, I'm sorry, not Chase. Sorry, not him. Got him wrong. Jake the Garden Snake, Motornosity, and Do It With Dan. We all rode together on some bikes from Wild Motorcycles. That's a fun highway video, so check that out later. But anyway, oh no, the neck sock is failing me here. I'm going slow enough. Ooh, not slow enough. That sleet's just like right in your eyeballs. Right in your eyeballs. I still can't see. I keep thinking if I flip this up, the fog's gonna go away. That's not how it works. Man, I'm bummed that it's cold now. I'm bummed that it's cold. I mean, riding season's just like, I'm still gonna ride every week for, whoa, that's a dead end. I need to slow the hell down. Holy crap, I couldn't see it. Okay, this is getting dangerous now. It's getting retarded. I had no choice. My hand was forced. Finally, Friday is here. I gotta go ride it. Speaking of which, I will still, big puddle, I'll still be riding every week on this motorcycle, every freaking week, to go out and record Finally Friday. So, that's still happening, but freaking crapping, stupid freaking winter is here, and alright, I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. You know why? For a simple reason. I love this motorcycle. I really do. I'm so glad I have it. Not like selling it was ever an option. I can't see. But I love this motorcycle. I can drive this thing if it's raining. I can drive it in the freaking snow and drop it. I don't care. I love it. And it's got frame sliders. Anyway, the moral of the story is don't be sad that I'm not getting the Ducati if you can help it. There is an end goal, and that is the car. I can't freaking see, guys. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. Oh, wait, that's right. Ice. Oh, then there's fog. Ice and fog. This is terrible. Well, I'm going home. Assuming I make it home, this video will be uploaded and you'll be watching it Friday morning. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry, this was like a one-take video. I don't normally do these, but I don't got time for that. I can't see. So thank you for watching. And keep me updated on the love triangle and responding with your comments about what you want me to do. It's been a fun journey so far. So please check out Morgan's page, and I'm done talking. Thank you.